Hello, my name is Amrit Maldonado, and I'm from the Panther Product and Support team here at Prolifics. Today I'll be showing you how to run Panther in a Google Cloud platform. Alright, the first thing we'll do in our browser is to log in as my Google user called Prolifics Panther. Then I'll access the Google Cloud platform using the URL console.cloud.google.com. Now, since I'm already logged in and I currently have a project, it will take me directly to my default project. So if you don't have one, you will need to create your own project. Using this triangle, you create a new project. It should just take about 10 seconds or so to create your project. All right, let's go and spawn up an instance, a Windows instance in the Google Cloud platform. What you'll do is click on the nav bar here, go down to Compute Engine, VM instances. All right, we'll click on the Create button. And we'll give your instance a name. It has to be all lowercase, demo123. You can choose your region and zone, your machine type. And notice as you pick and choose the machine type, it'll specify the cost for it to run for a month or hourly. I'm going to pick the least, 1 vCPU. You can also choose to deploy it as a container image, which we'll do in the next video. As far as picking the OS, you'll go to the boot disk section and change it to, well, the default is Debian. You could choose to bring up a CentOS platform, Ubuntu, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, and so on. We will choose to bring up a Windows Server 2016 with the desktop experience. Boot desktop will remain as a default. Click on select, and it takes me back to the previous screen, and I will click on create. And it should take about 14 or 15 seconds to actually create the instance as well as start it up. And once it's started, you will be able to see a little red green check mark here. There you go. Start it up very quickly. And how I'd connect to it is using the RDP arrow here. So first thing I'll do is set my Windows password. Looks like it's going to be using my Google account username, and I'll create on set. Click on set, sorry, to create my password. It should give me an encrypted password here. I will just copy it to my clipboard. There we go, and close it. All right, let's go ahead and RDP to my new instance. Click on RDP. Download the RDP file. Save it. Open up the RDP file. Enter my password from my clipboard. Alright, so this is my demo123. This is my menu. Let's investigate what's installed on the server. Nothing very much really. It's got IE, as you can tell, the regular WordPad and Notepad. Let's go and create a Prolifics folder. I'll call it whatever you want to. This is where we will be installing Panther. Now I've got Panther zipped up on my local machine here. This file explorer is from my local machine, so I'm going to copy Panther 551 along with a license file over and paste it in my demo123 machine. This may take a few minutes. Alright, so it's copied over. Let me extract Panther 551. Done. Let me install the comp client setup, run my setup file. Yes, I'm going to install it. Prolifics Panther, typical, just the typical installation, folks. All right, taking a few minutes. All right, skip license configuration. Okay. Complete. Great. All right, it's all installed. Now I have a license file here. So let me copy this license file to my licenses folder under Prolifics. Oops, sorry, wrong spot. Prolifics, Panther, licenses, paste it right here. And I should be able to go ahead and start Panther. Right, let's go to our start menu, Panther Client. Let me look for the Panther icon right here. Panther, this is my ProDev, my development editor. Warning, client live open read only. We can fix that. All right, this is Java, it's not enabled. We could fix that also. There you go. You have your Panther development environment. You can create a new library. So in a different location. And you can start building your screens. Saving this in a library. There you go. So this is just fabulous. It took us about 5 minutes or so to create a new instance, a Windows 2016 instance. Download Panther, install it, and get it running. All done using Google Cloud. That's all I have today. So if you need any help configuring or installing Panther on a Google Cloud platform, do reach out to us. Thank you.